Good morning. I found a very good PDF from ellen.ac.in website of Ellen Coaching. It's one of the biggest coaching in India, based out of Kota. And as a teacher in Ellen, I want to create a quiz out of this PDF because these PDFs are great. But the problem is, I have to do a lot of cut paste, especially when you have these kind of images and mathematical expressions. It becomes more tricky, the back and whole back and front end, etc., etc. So I found a solution, very easy solution. I'm going to share with you. pdfmock.com. It's a wonderful solution. You can convert any existing PDF question paper into online quizzes within minutes without doing any cut, copy, typing, pasting, or image manipulation, or you don't have to worry about mathematical expression. All you need to do is, as a first time user, you register yourself as a teacher. You input your organization name and organization address, your name as teacher, and your email ID, and you click on the plus button. You can have multiple teachers the same way under the same organization, and once you are done, you click on the save button. All the teacher associated with this organization will have an instant access, so no more waiting, no more approval, etc. It's very quick and fast. Since I already have an access, so I go on and click on the login button here. So once clicking the login button, I will input my email ID and the OTP, and I will get on the dashboard, which has two sections: my test and my batches. So let's go ahead and create the test we are talking about. So I'm going to upload the PDF which I got from the internet. And PDFs are a great way to carry content, but they are also very stubborn and difficult to work with. So this is the PDF we are talking about. You can have PDF of any exam, uh, uh, any language. It's possible to import here. So but one precaution you have to take is, do not try to create the test on mobile, because creation part needs to be needs to have more space in terms of screen size. So it's better if you use your laptop or desktop to create this, so that you have more movement flexibility. That's it. Other than that, you can operate, manage the exam, manage the result, everything from the mobile phone, for PDF mock. So this is the question number one. This is a single choice, single correct question, and it has four options. So what you need to do is, you click on the single correct, which is already chosen. You have multiple and fill in the blanks also. So all these three will take care of any kind of objective type question format. For example, assertion, reasoning, or true, false, anything. So, and suppose the marking scheme for these questions are 3 marks for correct, -1 for incorrect, 0 for not attempted. You can have decimal values as well here, so it's made very flexible. So you click on the add. So once you click on the add, you take the cursor, crosshair, adjacent to each of these four options. Now, once you do it, it's done. You put in interactivity, and suppose, for example, I don't know the real answer. Suppose this answer is correct. You double click it, make it blue, and you click on the save button. So first question is done. Similarly, you can do the second question, similar method, and this, 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 and suppose fourth option is correct. You put fourth option here, and you click on the save button. So you see how easy it becomes to create questions on the PDF, and you can see this. You can delete it from here if you wish. And this is the same way you can go ahead and do all the mapping of all the questions. I'm not going to do it here because it's going to take a bit of time. So all in all, it will take 30 minutes or 35 minutes to map around 120, 130 questions. So that will save a lot of time. Other than that, you don't have to do any cut, copy, paste. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. And after you map all the questions, you click on the save test, and you write Ellen mock test, whatever you want to give the title. If you have something more to write, you can write in the description section. You can write, input the duration. Suppose this question is 120 minutes, 2 hours. So right now it's showing two questions, 6 marks. but you can keep on adding, and you can do it in 30-35 minutes very easily. The cool thing is you can add a solution file as well. So you can add solution files so that when student has taken the test, they will receive a solution explanation file, so that they know why the question is wrong or why the question is correct, and you save it. Once you save it, you are back on the dashboard where you are going to schedule the test. So two questions, 6 marks, you can go ahead and edit by clicking edit button here. You can delete this test. You can share this test among your colleagues or peers who are on pdfmark.com by typing their email and searching their profile and sharing the test on their dashboard. So it's particularly helpful when you have a junior staff or a data entry operator who can do this, or PDF mock guys can also do it for you. And you can schedule the test by clicking here. So there are two modes: close-ended, open-ended. Close-ended means a particular date and time when you want to conduct this test, and you have the flexibility of publishing the result. You can allocate it to the batches you have created of the internal database of the student by going to my batch here. If you want to do not restrict only to the internal batches but open to anybody, like a national test or anything, all you need to do is allow external students, so that the students who are not in your database will be able to take the test, and you will get the student information, and in addition to their performance in the test, and you schedule it. Once you schedule it, test is ready to be shared on WhatsApp or any LMS or over mail. So you copy the URL and send it across. Uh, you can stop the schedule or edit the schedule. So so you have seen how easily I have created a test from the existing PDF question paper, which are very abundant on internet or through your institute, and you can do it yourself. You don't have to really be dependent on a data entry operator or wait for things to be inputted. Also, this takes care of all the mistakes of the data entry operator who does in the back end of a conventional application of quizzing platform. So it takes care of a lot of things, and this has been meticulously made very easy for the teachers, and I have been using it. I like it. I have saved hundreds of hours with this way, and hopefully you will try, and you will also benefit it from this. This is free, so try it out and share your feedback. Thank you.